In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Zoho Inventory. Ensuring that your business operations run smoothly is essential, and integrating these two platforms seamlessly will help you manage your products, track inventory, and enhance your overall efficiency. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you need to access your Zoho Inventory account. Assuming you're already logged in, head over to the sidebar where you'll find various options. Navigate and click on Settings. This section is your command center for configuring different aspects of your inventory management. Here, you'll encounter an option labeled Integrations. This is where you can unify your various sales channels, which is exactly what we'll be doing today. Once inside the Integrations section, look for Shopping Cart. It serves as the hub where all your e-commerce platform integrations reside. Click on this option, and what you're specifically searching for is the Shopify integration. You should see an integration option for Shopify. When you do, you'll notice a Set Up Now button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the setup process. Clicking this button will redirect you outside of Zoho Inventory and into Shopify's App Store. Here, you'll need to locate the Zoho Inventory app. The app acts as a bridge, allowing information to flow seamlessly between the two platforms, ensuring your inventory levels, sales data, and product information are always synchronized in real time. Find the app and click to install it. Once you click to install, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and Zoho Inventory. Think of this as the handshake between the two systems, allowing them to communicate and exchange data securely and efficiently. Follow any prompts to authorize and confirm this connection. Authorizing this link is crucial, as it grants Zoho Inventory access to pull in all necessary details from your Shopify store, such as items, orders, and customer data, into one centralized system. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Shopify to Zoho Inventory, creating a streamlined path for managing and tracking your business's e-commerce operations. This integration will help you avoid manual entry errors, optimize order fulfillment, and keep your inventory updated across both platforms. Remember, the key to maximizing the benefits of this integration is regular monitoring and occasional fine-tuning within both Zoho Inventory and Shopify. Adjust settings as needed and stay proactive in managing your e-commerce environment. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any hiccups during your setup, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Until next time, keep streamlining your business processes.